Let's dive into wood, the heart of so many interiors. We'll start with solid wood, a timeless choice cut directly from the tree. The way the wood is milled affects its look and performance. Plain sawn wood shows beautiful cathedral patterns, but can warp more easily. Quarter sawn wood offers straighter grain and more stability. Rift sawn is the most stable, with a refined, uniform appearance. Solid wood shines in dining tables, flooring, and heirloom furniture. It's durable and refinishable, but requires careful humidity control. Next up, engineered wood, combining layers for stability and value. Plywood is made from cross-laminated layers of real wood veneer. It's strong and moisture-resistant, perfect for kitchens and floors. MDF is made from compressed fibers, smooth but less durable. MDF works beautifully for painted furniture and trim in dry areas. Remember, plywood will last longer where strength and moisture resistance matter. Finally, veneer gives you the look of exotic wood affordably. Veneers come in different cuts: rotary, plain sliced, quarter sliced. They're beautiful, but must be handled with care and not over-sanded. Choosing the right wood depends on where and how you'll use it. Let's dive into wood, the heart of so many interiors. Now let's explore hardwoods and softwoods, two very different wood families. Hardwoods come from broadleaf trees: oak, maple, walnut, cherry. Hardwoods are durable and feature rich, beautiful grain patterns. Hardwood floors can last a lifetime and be refinished multiple times. Furniture made of hardwood is heavy, luxurious, and built to last. Softwoods, on the other hand, come from fast-growing conifer trees. Softwoods are lightweight, affordable, and easy to work with. They take paint well, making them ideal for trim and molding. Rustic furniture often uses softwoods for their warm, charming look. But remember, softwoods are softer and can dent more easily. Both hardwoods and softwoods have their place. Choose based on durability and style needs. Hardwoods for heirlooms and durability. Softwoods for charm and budget-friendly beauty. Now, let's talk about finishes. They protect your wood and define its look. First, lacquer, a hard protective finish that dries fast. Lacquer gives a slick, glossy surface that resists wear and moisture. But if damaged deeply, lacquer can chip and be hard to repair. Next, oil. It penetrates the wood, enhancing natural grain. Oiled wood feels warm and natural and looks stunning. But oiled surfaces need periodic re-oiling to stay protected. Wax creates a soft, silky finish, perfect for antiques and accents. Waxed finishes look beautiful, but scratch and wear more easily. Each finish has its place. Choose based on look, feel, and how you'll use your piece. Wood is a living material. It responds to moisture and temperature. Warping happens when wood expands or contracts unevenly. Signs of warping include cupped edges, twisting, and gaps in flooring. Prevent warping by acclimating wood before installation. Seal all sides. Unfinished edges are a common cause of warping. Maintain stable indoor humidity. 35 to 55% is ideal. Some wood types are more sensitive than others. Engineered wood with plywood core is the most stable option for moisture-prone areas. Never soak wood floors. Always use a damp mop. Furniture maintenance is simple, but crucial for longevity. Cabinets near sinks need extra care to prevent swelling or damage. With the right care, your wood surfaces will stay beautiful for years to come. Let's talk about sustainability. Your wood choices can help protect forests worldwide. Fast-growing woods are renewable and eco-friendly. Bamboo grows incredibly fast and makes strong, beautiful products. Rubber wood is an excellent sustainable choice, often used in furniture. Look for the FSC or PEFC certification when shopping for wood products. Some woods are endangered. Avoid buying uncertified tropical hardwoods. Teak and mahogany can be sustainable, but only when certified. Reclaimed wood is a great way to enjoy rare species without harming forests. Make informed choices and help preserve our planet's precious resources. By choosing sustainable woods, you bring beauty home and protect forests for the future.